Arthur and Stephanie purchased Stephanie's childhood home from her mother, Rose, and now they all live under the same roof. But with a baby on the way, Arthur feels the home is too cramped for their growing family and wants to move.
When we moved in here, I knew the home was outdated. I knew it needed work.
This is my childhood home, and I have a feeling it will be my forever home.
Where do we begin here? Tile floor, straight from the 80s. We have a pink carpet. That's our third different floor that we have in the house.
So it just needs a little bit of updating. Aren't pink carpets coming back anyway?
No. Moving into our dining room, sure, we eat here, but we also store potatoes, all this stuff. Like, look at this. This is insane. There's a fridge in the dining room.
All of that can be fixed.
When Rose and I are cooking in the kitchen, there's no space. Cupboards that are falling apart. There's doors missing. Walk into the laundry room. I have no space to wash the dog in here. I have to do it in the tub. I
have every faith in Hilary that she can fix that problem. I know that we're gonna love the house once everything is said and done.
List it, sold.
Oh, boy.
If this were your listing, would you not say, wonderful family home with all the original features?
The pink, creamy carpet and the peel and stick floor. I've done an evaluation on your home, and current value is $860,000.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the must-have list to get you out of this house? And I guess I'm going to be getting that from you, who wants to stay.
Yes. An open concept main floor, 3 bedrooms because everybody needs their own space, a large main bedroom with ensuite and closet space, a large backyard for the 2 dogs, a dog shower.
Excuse me? Most houses don't come with a dog shower.
Well, to move, we're gonna need one that has one.
Okay, so what else?
30 minutes from our current home because we want to stay close to family and friends, and a separate suite for my mom.
All right, what is the budget for the new house?
Your budget is $1.1 million.
Tell me what I need to do in this house to convince you to love it as much as your wife does.
Open concept kitchen, living and dining room. Update the kitchen with an island with more pantry space. Refresh the office space. A mudroom with a dog shower. Update the powder room. Update the staircase. Refresh the bedrooms. Wood flooring throughout the house. Update the ensuite and enlarge the closet. That's not too much to ask, right?
Well, that depends.
Depends.
What's my budget?
$110,000.
That tells me, yes, that's too much to ask.
Well, I would prefer probably the main floor.
I'm going to renovate this main floor so that when you see it, you're going to love it.
Yes, that's exactly what we're gonna do.
No, we're gonna for sure list it.
Not with that second floor. I think what you really need for your future, you're having a kid, is you need a house that's done from top to bottom. You know what they're gonna say about this house is list it.
You see, the bar just got so low for you.
So.
I have a plan.
Okay.
It starts with taking this wall down here.
Okay.
This comes down.
That's good.
That comes down.
We have tenants downstairs. I feel like there's going to be a big disruption.
We've got the engineer's plans in, and we have to put a pier at each side of this house.
Okay.
We've worked on it to minimize the impact on the living space that you have downstairs for your tenants. So one of them's going to go into a closet, and the other one's going in the furnace room. So it's not disrupting anything that is substantial.
Sounds like a plan.
Okay, and you're insisting on keeping the office. You're going to share that space. Your needs in there are pretty basic, I think.
Yes, desk, chair.
Fine. The big change here is I'm going to be getting rid of these sliding doors and turning it into a working wall. With this wall down, I can turn this into a fabulous, open concept, living room, kitchen, dining space.
But how do we get the dogs outside now if you eliminate this sliding door?
Through that sliding door.
But that's the dining room.
So?
It'll be set up as more of a formal space, it'll be kept clean, and now the dogs with their muddy paws are running through that formal space.
Stephanie and Arthur wanting me to keep that set of sliders for the dogs. I will work with that, because clearly you're not going to budge.
Open concept and storage are all we need.
I will come back to you with another plan. Hopefully
Okay.
you'll like it.
Awesome.
All right then.
Perfect.
We're done.
While Hilary adjusts her plans, the team begins work on the house. As Hilary's team makes great progress, David struggles to find a contender in their neighborhood.
We are about 35 minutes from Arthur and Stephanie's house, which goes a little beyond the 30 minutes that they gave me. However, this house has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, fully finished basement, nice open concept main floor, huge backyard. Does it have a dog shower? No. Come on in.
It's big.
This would be the formal dining room.
It's spacious, it's bright.
I like it.
Now, you guys wanted open concept, you wanted flow, you wanted function, you wanted beauty.
You could prep, watch the kids, TV, watch the dogs. It's an excellent flow.
Can't think of much I don't like about this space.
So, you guys asked me for 3 bedrooms.
Yep.
There's 5 bedrooms up here.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Okay.
Nice little step down into the main bedroom.
I don't like that. That's very dangerous for kids. I think the step's very dangerous, and I just don't see enough space in here.
Let's have a look at the bathroom.
Okay.
I know, there's steps.
Okay. I love the finishes in here, but I don't think I can look past the steps.
All right, this whole L area, I think, is going to be set up for a play area for the kids.
But David, where's my mom going?
Oh. This is very
Okay.
interesting.
You have a little bit of natural light, you've got a little kitchenette, you've got a bathroom. How do you feel about this house overall?
It is a bit further than we wanted it to be, so we have to take that into consideration.
Yeah.
What do you think this house is listed at?
I'd say $1 million.
What do you
I'd say
think?
$1.2 million.
This house is listed at $1,070,000. So, slightly under.
It's a contender, I think.
I don't think that this drive is something I'll be looking forward to. I hope he can find something closer to home.
As David continues to search for the right house, Hilary's team works on installing the new steel beam so they can open up the main floor.
We sort of have another issue with Arthur. We need to do something special for him. He's not sure that this is really the place for us.
I get the message loud and clear, and I'll figure something out.
Hilary's team starts transforming the office space into Arthur's man cave, while the dining room built-ins and new kitchen are installed. Meanwhile, David has the inside scoop on a house that he hopes could be a winner.
Not too far from their neighborhood. It's got 4 bedrooms, it's got 4 washrooms, it's got a beautiful main floor that's been completely renovated. Beautiful walkout to the backyard for the dogs. All right.
Oh,
Okay.
bright.
Nice, generous foyer as you walk in. You've got a beautiful living room, dining room combination. So we flow into what would be your family room space. I mean, the nice thing is you now have a living room and a family room.
Yes, I do like that separation.
With a walkout to the backyard, you've got a deck,
Wow.
fully fenced in.
Yeah, and a massive island.
Hilary's gonna give us a beautiful kitchen,
Of course she
obviously.
is.
But I don't think it will be this big.
Yeah, she can't create space.
No. Also on the main floor, I have something for you.
This would be a great office space.
I'm perfectly happy with this. This is more than I need.
Your mudroom that has 2 access points.
Perfect.
Right? I haven't found you a doggy shower. But you could potentially do something here if you put stackables and maybe find a little space where you can create one. The reason this house is not on the market yet is because they haven't renovated the basement yet. But it will be renovated when you take possession.
Okay.
They will be redoing the flooring, and there's 2 bedrooms, and then there's a bathroom that will be renovated.
Okay.
And will be done on closing. So it won't be a renovation that you will have to undertake once you've had a baby.
Yeah.
Daycare, just 1 floor down.
Perfect setup.
I definitely think this house could work for us. It gives us a lot more space than we currently have.
Yes, and you're going back to a house that's going to be beautiful, but the 2nd floor is not going to be touched.
We still have a lot of work to do there.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$1.3 million.
What do you think?
Say $1.1 million.
The asking price on this house is going to be $1,050,000.
Oh,
Wow.
under budget.
So it's an opportunity. You would have a completely done house.
Yeah, and money to spare.
It's completely done. That's not something I want to think about, is doing more renovations, which we know our house would need.
Not only is Hilary not giving them an eat-in kitchen, she is not even touching their 2nd floor.
But I think Hilary's gonna knock it out of the park with the work that she's doing. It just, this was a great option.
We definitely have a tough decision once we see what Hilary does.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Are we a bit late, or was baby a bit early?
Baby was early, 3 weeks.
He is going to love this house because it is so ready for him, ready for you.
Great.
We're excited.
So excited.
Let's go in.
Let's go.
Here we go.
Oh my God. Wow, this is amazing.
Is this our house? Did we come into the right house?
Oh my God, it is so bright.
it is transformed. So now you have a lovely entry. You've got your coat closet right there.
Oh yeah, wow, double doors.
Oh my gosh, this is beautiful.
This is your main living space.
It's so much space. It's unbelievable.
Here's a dining area that's actually a separate formal dining area.
This is perfect.
Yeah.
And we have room to expand when our whole family's here.
Look at this.
So with that wall gone and everything open, this is what you get out of it.
I can't even believe it.
This becomes your cozy area.
I love it.
I love this.
This can be completely baby stuff, however you decide you want to use it. It's all hidden away.
It's all ready for him.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
This is perfect.
So when you're in the kitchen, of course, you could just have an informal gathering here.
Honestly, I love it. Everything's so new, fresh, clean. I can't wait to start cooking in here if we stay here.
Well, you are the chef, so look at what you have. Loads of counter space.
Yes.
Loads more storage. You've got this wonderful prep area. It's a very efficient layout.
Yeah, I like that.
We kept the doors for the dogs.
Perfect.
So the flow is great, the connection is incredible. This is now a home you can entertain in.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I could have never imagined this in my wildest dreams.
Okay, oh my goodness.
Wow.
I did not expect this at all.
So I
my
had
God.
asked Hilary to help us out and make a space for you.
Oh, wow. I love it. I love the couch. The desk is amazing. It's huge.
It's nice to be able to have separation.
Yeah.
And I don't say that this is your room, but it is being set up as your room with a little space here. So Stephanie can also get her work done.
I did not expect this room to look like this.
Your main floor is now completely open concept, functional, everything that you need.
The stairs.
Pink carpet's gone, I see.
Yeah. The stairs are now a huge design statement in your home.
Yeah.
But the handrail is completely new.
It's so modern.
It is very modern.
And then we managed to continue the flooring up here as well. So it has
Perfect.
beautiful visual flow.
It's a big step up.
Yeah.
So really that's pretty much what we were able to do on this floor. We did manage to clean up the baby's room a bit. So do you want to take a look?
Oh,
Sure,
okay.
yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh my God. Are you kidding me?
This wasn't in the plans.
Wow.
We felt that you absolutely had to have it ready for baby.
Oh, this is amazing.
This is our gift to you.
It's so cute.
Wow. This is perfect. Thank you so much.
You are ready to go.
I hear congratulations are in order.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
The bedroom they did is adorable.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
That is.
That was a huge bonus.
And that is the new value of your home with the
Oh.
renovation that has been done.
Awesome.
The pre-renovation value of their home was $860,000. With a renovation budget of $110,000, the new value of their home is $1.075 million for an increase of $215,000.
So you'll have a house that doesn't need any work and you're putting money into your pocket.
Sounds like a win-win.
It does.
So you've seen this house now. You have
I
the
have.
advantage over me because I have not seen the house that you showed them. How do they compare?
I don't think they do. This house has basically been in their family forever.
This is my childhood home, and my heart's here.
The attachment to this house for Stephanie is huge. I don't know if it's as big for Arthur.
Well, I guess we're going to find out.
I guess we will. Decision made?
Decision made.
Are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
We are
Going to list it.
Awesome decision.
This was a very hard decision for me, this being my childhood home, but financially, this makes a lot of sense. Being completely finished, not having to worry about more renovations, and we could put money away for baby Theodore in his future.
So where is baby Theo?
Yeah, where is baby Theo?
He's here.
What?
Oh.
Hi, Mom.
Hey, Mom.
Grandmom.
Oh my gosh.
Here's the baby.
Oh, so delicate. 3 weeks, 3.5 weeks?
Yeah, 3.5 weeks.
Yeah.
Look at the little feet.
Yeah.
Perfect feet and little hands. Oh my God, so sweet.